A doctor, if he didn't go to school and he must leave everything, he comes back to Kenya and sort out this mess of CDF.
Wherever he is,
let him come and address this issue of CDF.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is now 6 months since we passed that budget. Now, just a few days ago, we passed another supplementary. And now we are adding them more money in the supplementary. Yes, Kenyans through NDCDF have received zero money. So what we are saying, we are suspending any government business
and we are not parliamentary business
until full money is taken to our constituencies. Schools are reopening. We have nothing to do. Some of us cannot even access their constituencies. We have to stick around in Nairobi waiting for something that is not coming. And on Thursday we are breaking for recess and they expect us to go home empty-handed. So we have suspended any government business if government exists until further notice.
And you know, CDF is not money for MPs.
It's not
our money. This is money for Kenyans. It is not a favor. And I want people to understand that even the salaried people at home, the teachers, the nurses, they're struggling. Because with all the taxes now falling with their pay slips, they're not even able to take their children to school. So we want CDF money available so that come January, kids can go to school.
And the bare minimum is the allocation for bursary. No CDF, no parliament. The children of the poor must go to school. Kenyan children must go to school. Kenyan children must go
Right.